One thing I think that we should give uMacele, abantwana bamaCele banomthetho, guys. Abantwana bamaCele banomthetho, and I guess at least Kamseleku now we have something to celebrate since we can see the unity that the man has been praying for ayenzeki, and it seems like anyeke sayenzakala. So hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosini Magatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho. It's about umuzi kaMseleku, guys. So yesterday uAbongwe second born kaMusa Mseleku noMaqele, uyi second born kuMusa Mseleku noMaqele, but enganenza kaMusa I think she's the fourth because usine umpumelelo mpilo. Yes, she's the fourth. Beka graduate. She's officially a graduate and une degree, guys. So you could see how the parents were so happy. You could see how abazali bakhona beba happy ngayo, and obvious akekho umzali ongafiseli umntana yakhe kuhle. And one thing about uAbongwe that she has been doing, she has proving the point that umama wakhe unomthetho, and ukibo bathe mabamnika umthetho wawuthatha and wawusebenzisa. Yes, we know that uMpilo ufundile, uMpilo naye umunye wabantwana bamSeleku abaziphethe kahle kakhulu, and I think uMseleku he needs to focus more on girls than on boys, because abantwana babafana anabo no. Yes, umlindi the time amncane bokungathi uza kahle because he liked farming, he liked being a businessman. But now the previous season of Uthando Nesithemo, umama kaMningi was complaining ukuthi umnini engathi akasalaleli, umnini engathi uphumelele, but that is understandable ngathi umntwana makaphila vele efamily engana peace, whereby abazali bakhona bahlala balwa. Obvious umntwana uzoyenza izinto ezingekho right. But when it comes to abantwana bamaCele, guys, I am so happy. I was so happy to see ukuthi at least ubaba uMseleku uzoba nento akwazi ukuyiphilela, more than anything uzophilela abantwana bakhe now, knowing yabo ayikho into emnandi ukuthi abantwana bakho bakwenze proud, because other than Usine, I feel like abantwana bakhe they are working hard, abantwana bakhe bayaphusha. Yes, we know that uLwandle engathi akafundi, but hayi ukuthi akafundi ngoba angasifundi isikole, akafundi because uNkulunkulu akamphanga ukuhlakanipha kwencwadi, but nje egcekeni uLwandle uyasebenza. So I just wanted to say congratulations to uMacele noMusa Mseleku. Congratulations futhi uAbongwe, and I know ukuthi uAbongwe she'll be one of the few kids bakaMusa Mseleku abazoyenza uMusa Mseleku proud, or labo uMusa Mseleku I think angathatha ama-business awabeke kuyo. Abongwe noMpilo, guys, beza kahle, angifuni nje ukuqamba amanga. If you look at impilo yakhe ufocused baby girl, uyayazi into ayifunayo. You look at Abong focused, and she is securing the bag, because even if you check on socials wakhe, she's working with a lot of big brands, and you could see ukuthi uyazenzela imali yakhe manje, sekayazondla akafuni next izomhlanganisa namantombazane. You'll never see or hear Abong or uMpilo attend for wrong reasons, never. Ngaphandle abafani, unlike omunye ubhuti engisikhulume ngaye, ufather of 3 or ufather of 4. But yena nje yena uAbong umntana right, and I'm happy for abantu bakaMseleku. Congratulations to abantu bakaMseleku. That is all for now bazala bam. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.